Vita Health Group provide this exercise class with your health and safety in mind. Each individual participant has their own limitations and should consult their general practitioner or an appropriate medical professional prior to undertaking the class. Should you be prone to injury, are currently pregnant, or be managing any functional limiting medical conditions, please seek medical confirmation prior to participating. At all times, ensure you follow all instructions provided by Vita Health Group throughout the entirety of the recording. Should you experience any symptoms of dizziness, nausea, or increased pain at any point during your participation, please stop and seek the appropriate advice from your general practitioner or the 111 service.
Hi, I'm Chuzzy. Today what we're going to do is a form of Qigong known as Shabasi, set 1. It's designed to be able to create mobility, to energize, to be a bit more mindful, depending on what your goals are. Please grab yourself some water and a chair if you need to for balance, and see you in a second. Right, welcome back, and hope you have your water and maybe a towel or chair nearby if need to. What you want to do is try and just follow along as much as possible. Try not to think of you've got to be perfect out the gate, and it's all about trying to sync your breathing with your movement. So what we're going to do is just get you to focus on your breathing at the very beginning, and hopefully we'll be able to work through that as you progress through the session. So just have your feet side by side or a little bit further apart, what feels comfortable for you. Keep your hips forward and your body nice and elongated, and just have the hands on the belly at the side. So just grow nice and tall and look forward. From there, all I want you to do is just breathe in through your nose and exhale. So as you can see, as you breathe in, feel the midsection expand and deflate. So I'll show you from the side. Breathe in. Breathe in. Whichever way feels comfortable for you. The most important thing is that you breathe. If you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, that is fine. Through your mouth, out through your mouth, fine. I will be generally breathing in through my nose and out through my nose as much as possible. We want to be feeling the midsection up, not so much the lungs or the chest, which can create more tension around the shoulders and the head. And one of the things I want you to do as you breathe in is to relax the forehead and the face. And if you can, have a little bit of a half a smile, not a big smile, you don't want to be too crazy, but just, okay, so we do a few minutes of some breathing. So just breathing in, you can feel the belly expanding and deflate. I'm just going to breathe so a little bit louder so you can hear. And every time you exhale, you want to feel some tension moving away from the body. Breathe in. Maybe it's tension across the forehead, the neck and shoulders, the upper body. Just have the knees slightly bent. Someone's facing you again. So okay, so as I talk, you carry on doing your breathing. What we're going to do is start moving into a session. So have your feet hip width apart, which is the main stance throughout the whole duration, unless we change it. Have the knees slightly bent. Keep the hips tucked under and keeping the spine nice and straight and chest open. So that way we can actually breathe as much in as possible, okay? From here, what we're going to do is just bring the arms up. Imagine like you're painting the fence, and then bring the hands down again. Breathe in breathe out. So we're just moving the arms at the moment. You want the arms to feel nice and relaxed. They want to be nice and heavy. And you want to think about you're moving from the shoulders, then the elbows, then the hands. So the hands are the last thing to move. So to show you from the side. So you're breathing in. You want to breathe with the movement and exhale on the way down. Okay, from there, what we do is just gonna extend the legs a little bit, coming up, and you're gonna, it's like a little squat, but you're not going to squat. And then just coming up, getting the legs a bit more warm, and back down again. Keeping the hips straight, tuck the hips in, come up, and back down. Again, think about moving from the shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Think about the whole body moving. Okay, from there, we're going to bring the arms up and they're going to go across and they're going to come back in again and back down. So bring the arms up. It's like you're opening curtains. You see the weather, it's bad, and you close the curtains again. Bring it up, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in again. Don't get too fixated on the breathing. Do what feels comfortable at the moment. As you progress through this and you do it multiple times, you start to find your own pace and your own breathing. Like that. Come up. So feel your back working so that it comes up and you can feel in all the back muscles opening up and closing and back down again. So from there, we're going to bring the arms up to the top of the head and look at your hand and twist the hip there a little bit. And rotate to the opposite side. It's like you're looking at your hand and touch the top of the forehead. And just breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. You want to make sure you push the hips out to the side. You're not going off into a different direction. Go to where it feels comfortable for you. And as you progress, you'll be able to move the arms or the hips a little bit more. Okay, from there, just bring your arms down to the side. So from there, you're going to bring the arms down, across the body, look up, and go out to the side. And alternate your arms, so one's in front of the other, so it's not always the same. And then out to the side. It's like you're parting the clouds, comes across, up. Keep your eyes on your hands as well, so you're developing nice hand-eye coordination. I'm just going to show you from the side, so the hips go back a little bit, keeping the back straight, and then you extend. Breathing in, then breathe out. Breathe in, then breathe out. We're not going all the way to the floor, it's just a little fold at the back, keeping the back nice and straight. And alternate the arms. So we're getting the brain working there a little bit more. Right, left. And left, right. Okay. From there, what we want to do is to bring both arms out in front. Rotate one hand down and it comes back. Keep your eyes on your hands. Circle it round and push the hand out. Bring the opposite hand back in and push out. Breathe in, then breathe out again. Breathe in. Keep your eye on the hand as it comes down, back around the body and back out again. Bring it round and breathe out. Make sure you have a nice smile and you're enjoying yourself as you work through these form. Okay. So from there we go into the rowing motion. So bring the arms out and bring this like you're doing a nice big circle. Imagine you're in a boat, knees slightly bent. So show from the side, bringing it up and out. Keeping the chest up, keeping your head up, the chin, always looking forward. So what we're going to do now is just have a slight bend at the waist as you go forward, and then just imagine you're in that boat rowing down the river, if that's what you do at the weekends. And you're just going slightly back and forth. Don't fall over. Make sure you keep your feet flat on the floor. You may hear some creaking in the body. It's okay. It's just doing something it's not normally used to. So again, keeping the feet slightly hip width apart, knees slightly bent. We're going to bring the arm across the body. Imagine you've got a ball in the hand, and then back down again. Keeping the chest up, bring it up, then back down. Breathe in, breathe out. So you just slight twist in the hips, but not too much. Just feel what feels naturally or natural. Comes up, then back down again. Smile and enjoy. Hope you're enjoying this as we're going through the set. So from there, we're just going to go a little bit deeper into a horse stance, and we're going to have, imagine that ball again in front, just go deeper into the hips a little bit, and we're going to rotate to the side as far as you can go comfortably, and then come back down, keeping your eyes on the imaginary ball, and you twist in to the opposite direction. Then you come back down again into the middle, breathe out, then breathe in again. So hopefully every time you go up and you twist, you'll go a little bit further and feel a nice rotation in the spine. If the legs are starting to feel a little bit tired, just straighten the legs out a little bit more so you're not causing too much stress. And as you progress, you can go deeper. So I'll show you from the side. Okay, we'll just do a couple more. So we're just going to go have the feet a little bit wider, keep the knees slightly bent, keep that, always remember about keeping that pelvis tilt under. From here, we're just going to bring the arms out to the side, breathe in, breathe out. Always make sure you have that nice half a smile, feel the face nice and relaxed. We don't want frowning while we're trying to relax the mind and the body. Feel rotation in the hips. So always make sure you go to where you feel comfortable today. And as you progress, you will get further. Keep that chest up. As you can see myself, I would sometimes come a little bit forward. If we sit at our desk for too long, yes, we will go slightly forward. So this will help just to work through the body and loosen it up. Okay, from there, what we're going to do next is bring the hand in front, and we're just going to go out to the side, keep your eyes on the hand, and bring the other hand up and go to the opposite side. And then there, it's like if you're looking at your phone or mirror, keep the head up, your eyes focus on your hand. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So from there, what you want to do next is, as you bring the hand up, bring the other hand across the lower part of the body. So you rotate, the other arm comes up. It's like you're patting a dog and looking at your hand. Always think of certain movements, what these may represent to you. It helps to keep you, if it helps you to remember them. We don't have to use the original terminology. So I'll show you from the side. So what we need to do next is just shift a little bit into your legs. So it's a little bit of a weight shift. So it feels nice and flowing. So keep going. So you're going to one side. So we're developing a little bit more movement from the hands to double hands, and now through the legs. If it's a little bit too much, just stick with what feels comfortable. Move the hands. You don't necessarily need to move the weight into the legs. So imagine you're on like a nice big hill, looking at the scenery and feeling nice and relaxed. Okay, so we're going to go into the next movement. So I'm just going to turn to the side for this. So you're going to place one leg forward, keep the front leg slightly bent, and the back leg we're going to come off to the heel. Keep the spine nice and straight. We don't want to be bending from the waist. So we're just going to imagine you scoop into the C, and then you come up, keep your eyes on your hands, be wary of your back leg, keep your balance, and come back down. And alternate the hands. So you're working left over right. And then as you do the other side, bring the right arm over left. Leaning forward from the waist, feel weight shift. If it feels uncomfortable or a little bit, just do what you feel comfortable. Keep going. You just go to there if you need to. If you want to go deeper, go forward, but you don't have to shift the body weight. But if you want to go a little bit more, bring your body all the way deeper and down. Okay, and just stop there. Now you're going to bring the opposite side forward. Scoop down and back up. Back down again. Again, go to where you feel comfortable. If it's just there, that's perfectly okay. If you want to go deeper, by all means do so. If you want to shift the body weight more into your front leg, you have a few options there, and then into the back leg. Scooping down. And again, don't let the back go too far. If you feel uncomfortable, go to your limits. And hopefully as you progress, you'll be able to just progress a little bit more. Okay, from there, we're going to turn to the opposite side this time. Again, split stance. You're going to push the hands forward and bring it back. Push them forward, breathe out. You can move as much of your weight forward and back as you want. Come onto your heel. Just be wary, like myself. Bringing the hands back, nice circle motion. If it feels a little bit too uncomfortable with the feet, just move the upper body and the arms. Again, you can bring the foot into it if you need to. Get a little bit more movement, get the lower body working as well. Okay, so we're going to go to the opposite side. So you're going to bring the opposite leg forward. So you bring the arm back and push out again. It's like you're just trying to push. Imagine you try to push all your stress away. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, you don't have to move the body weight forward. You can keep it static, more there. If you want to just do a little bit more, bring the arms, the weight into it, shift into your legs. So okay, from here we'll just go again. Always keep checking your posture, keep the feet hip width apart, knees forward, and you're just going to bring the arms up and then back out again. Bring it in, then back out. So show from the side. It's like imagine you're hugging a tree and then back out. Or a person, or a teddy bear, whatever. Think about your shoulders, your elbows, your hands. Alternate the arms as well in front, so it's not just one repeating the same. So it's left, right, and right, left. Again, just think about how your shoulders Think about how your spine is, the head. As you go through any workout or any routine, it will start to slouch a bit. So just correct yourself as you progress through the form. If the shoulders are feeling a bit heavy, just go a little bit lower. Okay, from there, we're just going to bring the arms out to the side and back down again. And bring the arms across. Breathe in. So it's from the side, so they're coming up, slightly flying, then back down again. Okay, what we're going to do next, as you come up, you're just going to squat down a little bit and then come up. So we just feel a nice flow. Breathe in. So alternate the hands, feel nice and relaxed. Let the legs just bend a little bit. Okay, from there we're just going to have the feet a little bit wider. Keep the knees forward and the toes. We're going to go down. Just be wary. Go to what feels comfortable. If it feels uncomfortable in your lower back, just either do a smaller version, but we go through that as we do the routine. So you come up, circle around, and then come back down again. So go up, around, and then back down. Do go as far as you feel comfortable. If it's just to there, that's perfectly okay. Go to as low as you can. The body should feel nice and warmer now. Okay, I'll show you from the side. Coming up. Just be wary of the lower back. We want to push the hips back. We don't want to fold at the spine. So if it's there as far as you can go, that's brilliant. It's about what you can do today, and we keep progressing as you keep practicing. Go lower. Okay. And then in the opposite direction. So again, go to where it feels comfortable. If you want to go lower, do so. Keep your eyes where the hands are. So I just realized I made it a bit easy for myself, so we want to go back a little bit. So again, nice big circles, what feels comfortable for you. Okay, so what we're going to do next is bring the leg up, or the knee. Okay, if you need the chair, please do use that just to help with your balance. So again, keeping the body up. And what we want to do is just try and get a little bit of a rhythm with the legs. If you can, just go onto the ball of your foot. And we're just going to imagine we're just hopping. And then as you bring the leg up, you bring the other hand up. So it's like you're a puppet, or you're bouncing a ball. If it feels more comfortable just to keep the heel down, by all means do so. If you can, go onto your knee, go onto the ball of your feet. It can be a little bit tricky. Takes a little bit of coordination. So opposite leg, opposite arm. It's a nice flowing movement. Okay, from there, just want to bring the arms up. And as you do, exhale. Bring the arms up, keep your eyes looking up. Breathe out. So just a couple more. Okay, on the next one, as you bring your eyes down, sorry, the hands across, bring your eyes down, close your eyes, place the hands on the belly, or the stomach, or the tummy, whatever word you like to use. If you need to, hold the chair. If it feels uncomfortable, keep your eyes open for the last bit, and you can progress to doing it with your eyes closed. All I want you to do now is start to center your breath. Breathing in, just as we did at the beginning, and breathe out. If you need to hold the chair and your eyes closed, by all means do so. If you need your eyes open. So at this point, we just want to start feeling a bit more relaxed. I want you to start focusing on where you are right now. Think about what sounds you can hear around you. Wherever you are, maybe you're outdoors, indoors. And it's just about trying to make yourself a little bit more present. If you're lucky and you're in a quiet area, just think about your own breath. Think about your body, what it's done. Think about your shoulders. Hopefully you should feel a little bit more relaxed. Hopefully you didn't have too much of a frown on, and just think about relaxing that forehead as you breathe in. And you breathe out again. Think about how your balance is. Okay, just focusing on your breath. Maybe it's a little bit more in sync with the body now. Hopefully it is. Hopefully you can feel your heart rate slowing down. Or your heartbeat, hopefully it's not too fast. Again, I've got my eyes open just so I can see you. And if you want to keep your eyes closed during this segment, you can do, or open. Okay. Now just, if your eyes are closed, open your eyes. Have the hands by the side and just shake the legs a little bit, shake your arms. And thank you very much for what you've done today. You've done really, really well. And that concludes the session for today. Have a great day.